Hey Sheila, what are you doing next week for March break?
I'm not doing anything. I have no small children or any grandchildren.
Oh, spare me.
You're right. There are a lot of people that do have small kids that will be off or grandchildren that they will be looking after, and they'll be looking for something to do.
And there are many things to do in town,
There are.
such as bowling. It is one of my favorite activities, and I hear that the staff is pretty striking on the weekend.
Oh, Molly. Here at the Mullin Group, we've decided to run a little contest.
And for our contest, we are giving away 1 hour of bowling, up to 6 people, shoes included, at the one and only Bowling on Broadway.
Tell them how that they can enter.
So all you have to do is follow us on Facebook and Instagram, like this social media post, and comment a friend in the comments below.
Perfect. You can get an extra entry if you share this post as well.
So the contest is on now, and it will be on until Friday, March 10th at noon, where we will be drawing one lucky winner to win this contest.
Perfect.
At random.
Perfect.
That way they don't strike out on fun this March break.
Molly.
Good luck.